Attorney reveals that XRP Ripple will go parabolic soon. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today in this video we're going to discuss how the attorney reveals that XRP will go parabolic soon. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit the bell icon so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video, and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
The XRP price showcased a magnificent price rally since the Ripple SEC lawsuit flipped in favor of the company. The ongoing standoff assisted the price rally towards the north and attained the highest ever levels since 2018. However, the rally sustained a slight pullback and bounced above $1 on the verge to break a unique cup and handle pattern shortly. The price is heading towards the neckline of around $1.07, and clearing these pivot zones may rally the price above the current ATH. Therefore, looking at the strong bullish momentum, many analysts predict the price may go as high as $5 shortly. However, other analysts like DIY Investing expect a three-wave of rally that could pump the price close to $100. The positive market sentiments intensified with the price flipping the 91-cent and 93-cent support levels successfully. Also, the Ripple SEC lawsuit fueled the price rally, and hence a massive surge may be incoming. Collectively, XRP price is all set to forecast higher new levels, as many believe the lawsuit may be settled very soon in favor of XRP and Ripple. Moreover, the SEC's stand is getting weakened day by day. Good days awaited for not XRP but the entire crypto space. Like many of the altcoins in the industry, the price of XRP is highly correlated to the price movement of BTC. This means we generally see a positive price movement for most altcoins when BTC price surges, and the same is true when it goes the other way around. The all-time high ATH for Ripple was around $3.40, at the same time when many of the altcoins were hitting their previous ATH. Since then, it has seen a multi-year downtrend, falling greater than 91% of its ATH value. Nonetheless, the current XRP value is still 100 times higher than its all-time low of $0.29233, which happened early on during its infancy stage in May 22nd of 2014. Just recently, XRP seems to have finally broken its bearish trend and has become the best performing altcoin this month. This marks a trend reversal for Ripple, which for most of 2020 has been underperforming compared to the other top digital assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. After a very disappointing performance for the first half of 2020, we finally have some excellent price movement from XRP. Previously, it was lagging behind most of the top cryptocurrencies in the industry, particularly Bitcoin and Ethereum, which have seen double-digit gains since the flash crypto market crash of March 2020. It was performing so badly that for several weeks it lost its place as the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap to Tether USDT. Fortunately, Ripple XRP rebounded these couple days and has become one of the top gainers recently, enabling it to recapture the third place. After months of underperforming, Ripple has finally joined the bullish trend led by two leading cryptocurrencies. First by Ethereum, whose price had buoyed with the emergence of the DeFi sector, which has created a thriving niche in the crypto market. Then the resurgence of Bitcoin interest, as investors are now actively looking to hedge against the increasingly gloomy outlook of the world economy that has been hit by the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The high possibility of a weakening US dollar USD as a result of an unabated printing of money further strengthens the concern of investors. Ripple XRP's positive momentum was also catalyzed by the increasingly favorable stance of many traditional financial heavyweights to the crypto industry. PayPal, Visa, and MasterCard have expressed interest in providing crypto-related services for their customers. There has also been a significant development in the regulatory clarity as banks are now able to provide custodial services of cryptocurrencies. This means traditional banks need not worry about the risk of running afoul against regulators due to unclear policies, especially towards custody services. The general sentiment of the whole industry is positive, with a high probability that a lot of new investors will FOMO in once the prices go parabolic, marking the start of a new crypto summer for the whole industry. Will Ripple XRP price rise again? Apart from the influence of the general crypto market trends on the price of XRP, there are 7 categories of factors that are potentially important for Ripple exchange rates. The interest of global financial institutions, the speculative events on the cryptocurrency market, including regional ones, informational reasons related to the development of technologies, news of competing cryptocurrencies and financial services, actions of financial regulators, lawsuits against Ripple Labs Incorporated and the course of their consideration, potential price manipulations of the company itself. In the past, the popularity of XRP and as a result the growth of its value largely depended on partnerships with these traditional institutions. Forming more partnerships will result in deeper acceptance by society, which invariably means higher value. However, everything is not so simple for XRP. The SEC lawsuit further complicates the situation. Before the SEC filed the case, the XRP projections had been predicted as positive, even if they did not inspire optimism. But the lawsuit interrupts the breakthrough and makes Ripple's price prediction trajectory more difficult and enables Ripple to take the profit at the time when the crypto market was growing rapidly. Given how difficult it is to predict a digital asset accurately due to the extremely high volatility on the crypto market, it is even more so for XRP. After the trial, more and more traders are showing a bearish attitude towards the XRP cryptocurrency, raising fears that it may fall below 10 cents. However, the increase in prices from retail investors and traders allowed it to rise again. If XRP experiences a real breakthrough in 2021, it could reach its historical maximum of more than $3. But this looks unlikely while the SEC lawsuit is hanging over their head. According to the forecast price and technical analysis of XRP in 2021, it is expected that the price will not cross the average price level of $1.35. The expected minimum value of XRP price by the end of this year should be $1.30. Moreover, XRP may reach the maximum price level of $1.42. XRP price prediction for September of 2021. The forecast of the XRP exchange rate for September 2021, $1.263 at the beginning and $1.352 at the end of the month. The XRP exchange rate for September will be $1.300. The maximum value is expected to be $1.360 per coin. The minimum will be $1.242 per coin. For September 2021, XRP is projected to grow by 0.036998 or 2.93%. XRP price prediction October 2021. The forecast of the XRP exchange rate for October 2021, $1.358 at the beginning and $1.385 at the end of the month. The XRP rate for October will be $1.374. The maximum value is expected to be at $1.397 per coin. The minimum will be at $1.347. The XRP price in October 2021 will grow by 0.07407 or 5.70%. XRP price prediction November 2021. The forecast of the XRP exchange rate for November of 2021, $1.390 at the beginning and $1.474 at the end of the month. The XRP exchange rate for November will be $1.443. The maximum price is expected to be $1.506 per coin. The minimum will be $1.382. Throughout November 2021, XRP price will grow by 0.06857 or 4.99%. XRP price prediction at the end of 2021 and in December 2021. The forecast of the XRP rate for December 2021, $1.478 at the beginning and $1.528 at the end of the month. The Ripple digital coin for December will be $1.502. The maximum cost is expected to be at $1.544 per coin. The minimum will be $1.463 per coin. The XRP rate for December 2021 will grow by 0.05896 or 4.099%. According to the analysts, the Ripple Payment Network native token XRP looks the readiest for growth and updating the historical maximum. In the event of another impulse, the XRP price may reach a level of $2.8, an increase of 100% from current levels, and then exceed $4.3, a rise of 244% from current levels, says Van de Pup. On September 5th, XRP was trading for $1.25. Over the past month, the cryptocurrency has grown 127%. Will XRP reach $100? The XRP coin has an incredible substantial total supply, 100 billion XRP. As you probably know, the price of one coin is obtained when you divide the market cap by the circulating supply. As of right now, XRP equals $0.7564 at a market cap of $29,303,993,685, which gives us a circulating supply of $38,739,144,847. Given these figures, it's clear that for XRP's coin price, it's almost impossible to reach $100. Its market cap will have to be 100 times more at least. This seems rather challenging for the asset's value to achieve in the next 5 years, considering the competition and the relatively small size of the cryptocurrency market. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.